Yes, sir. Good fish, good fish. Good fish, good fish. So sick.
Nice fly.
Decent, yeah. That was good. Like that. Woo! Feels good to come tight.
Then Shiwara, Tawari, Wara. I let him to go back.
Big strike for a little guy.
It was very fast actually,
Yeah.
from the side.
Yeah.
So I thought it was something else.
Woo. Nice bluefin. Hell yeah. Got my first fish of the day. Nice blue trevally. It's probably my biggest one of the whole trip. Nice fat one. They don't get huge, but this is a good one. Damn, they're such cool fish, man. Look at the back. Just look at the colors, dude. Not only powerful, but just beautiful. I love you. Can I give him a kiss? They're tasty too. Really good sashimi. Bye-bye. Take care. Whew. First fish, day number 3. I love it. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Right in the bait. Right in the bait. Come on, come on. I don't know. Trevally. That was sweet. Oh, so cool. Right in the bait. What is it? Oh, snapper. Oh, nice snapper.
Oh, nice.
Very nice. Oh, yeah, very much so. You got him? Whee! First ever red snapper. One of the many big fish you can catch out here in Sudan. Freaking so sick. Kind of a multi-species day right now. Bluefin and snapper. This thing fought hard. I think Nicola's got a nice, was it snapper? Yes, another snapper. Doubles on snapper. Ooh, this is sick. That'll be cool. I'm cool with that. I don't know, that looked weird. Do you see anything there? Oh, two big busts. Yeah.
Ah, so they were just on
Right there. Oh, right there. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh God! I don't know if it was. This is just. Oh, that's light line. Good GT. Everything's cool. Whoa! Come tight, come tight. This is light line. That was sweet. Did you get that? Dude, unreal. Disgusting. It's coming on your side. Oh no! What is that? That's what I thought it was. What is it? I think it's a tuna. It's a tuna. Oh my God! It got eaten. Doggy. It was a doggy.
Shut up.
No! Barracuda?
Ate it.
Just left it or what?
I keep telling you, that I was expecting a doggy here.
Half a doggy.
Yeah, it's a half a doggy.
Holy shit. Do we eat them now? Yeah, we eat them, right?
Yeah. Let's try.
No! That sucks. When you pick up a popper, you're liable to just have anything happen to you. We're certain that this was a GT, but it happened to be one fish that I wanted to catch while out here, that being a dogtooth tuna. They're not really even a tuna. As soon as I got him to the boat, a barracuda came up and ripped his tail off. I'm so pissed. I would have loved to show you guys this fish fully whole and not in pieces, but it's still a catch, and that was an insane fight on a little PE5 rod, PE4 rod actually, really light action. These guys can get up to like 200 pounds, but this is just a little baby. Yeah. The cool thing is these guys are really good eating, so he's not gonna go to waste. We're gonna bring him back and have some doggy sashimi. Mark my words, we will get a whole one, but this is a nice little start. Hey, everything but a GT today, man. Holy sh**. Very fun fish. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, you clapped it. Something little. Bahara. On you? Yeah. This is insane. Oh no, trevally. Bluefin. Whee. Oh, nice bluefin, eh? Nice bluefin. Oh. Yeah. Gotcha. Woo. Oh, look at that. Oh, straight out. Bluefin number 2. It's hectic right now on the reefs. I did not anticipate a morning like this. This is insane. Bye-bye, buddy. Hit the boat a little. You'll be all right. Oh, well, that was absolute chaos. They were just crunching. I've not seen a bite like that in quite some time, probably since I went to Komodo. And the cool thing is here in Sudan, it's not just GTs. It's like a little bit of everything. You saw that 3/4 of a dogtooth, and then that red bass with that black, what is it, red bass? So confusing. There's like 15 different names for the red snapper, but it's like a bohar snapper. Crazy looking fish, huge fangs. I went to go put some water on my fish to kind of keep them from, you know, drying out because it is hot out here. And I went right on his gills, and they've got like literally razor sharp gills. Their teeth are just the tip of the iceberg. Sliced my finger right open. Then from then on, we kept popping. I lost some good fish. I had a cuda, taxed me really good on that doggy. I'm honestly so addicted to doggies now. We caught some nice bluefin trevally too. Not a single GT, which is so funny. But that dogtooth, man, I'm addicted. I want more of those. And that was just a little one, man. They get like 200 pounds. They get huge. My heart is still pounding. I've got whitewash in my head. I can't even think straight. We're definitely gonna keep popping today, but we need a little bit of a breather. That was hectic.
Into the surf pond.
That was cool. Holy, that was wicked. Whew. First land-based GT of the whole trip. Actually, first one of the entire day. It's funny, we were after GTs in the morning. We caught everything but GTs in the AM, but these are the guys we were after to start off with. Land-based GT is a whole nother deal, man. So many variables. There's nasty coral, big rocks. There's a nice ledge out there too. A big enough GT could just wreck you on the land. You can't move, you can't chase him down, you're very limited. That's a nice little one though. He's getting real dark. Look how he's changing colors like that. Oh man, I love this place. Today's definitely a big fish day, man. If the bigs are chomping, we gotta keep tossing. Such a cool fish. Oh my God. Alrighty. Send her back. Oh, it's so good camera. Woo! Yeah, so dirty, thank you, David. We got David with us right now. He's actually from Spain. And he primarily pike fishes, so he knows everything about big fish, but he's helping us get some of those shots. That underwater shot was by this guy. Woo! I'm floating. Trout? Oh, snapper.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Fishing from the reef, the boat, and now we're on cliffs casting big old plugs. This little bait's been like my bread and butter. It's kind of a weird big fish bait. You could call it diving, but it actually floats. It's got a little lip just like a bass crankbait would have. And every time you give it a rip, it kind of just kind of kicks really hard in the water. And everything likes it. We've caught snapper on it. We've caught bluefin on it. We've caught GTs on it. I'm sure we'll catch probably some other weird on this thing. But it's like the one bait that I'd probably always put in my bag if I was going for big saltwater fish. It's, I don't know, how big is this? 190? That doesn't seem right. It says 190 on top. It's a fairly heavy bait. Nice barbless hooks on there. It's pretty fun. Fishing from up, down low, and...
Ah, there is a big barracuda.
Big cuda? Oh, we got something going on. Snapper. There we go. There we go. Ui.
Oh, grouper.
Grouper. Oh, sick. Oh, that's sick, eh? Oh, good.
Species bonanza.
Yeah, holy sh**. Look at that thing, eh?
Open the fish. Yeah, man.
Thank you, David. Holy shit. Look at that thing. That's sick, bro. That is so sick. Brown marbled grouper. Holy moly. That thing is so sick. Never seen anything like this. Did not think we'd hook up to something this amazing. And when I signed up for the Sudan trip, I thought it was going to be GTs and blue trevally, but today's just been a whirlwind for weird species. Oh my God, he's beautiful. It's so epic. Big Bubby's going back. Oh, look at Big Bubby. God, you're fat. Oh yeah, That's good. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a very good fish. Oh my God, that's sick. That was so sick, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, luckily
Yeah.
Oh, luckily you have the bigger rod.
Yeah. Bigger rod, yeah.
Stop.
Snapper? No way.
No, this is not the fish you hooked.
What the f?
The fish you hooked came off and this little...
You think so?
Of course.
It was fighting so hard. What the f?
I have the feeling that would have been another doggy. You had the feeling too, eh? It was running and ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Yeah. Holy moly. Check her out. Another nice red snapper. Doing a little PM popping. Just could not get enough in the morning, so we're back at it again. It's my second fish. I just lost something big. I don't know what happened there, but these guys are keeping us busy. Beautiful fish, man. Freaking gorgeous. See you later. Bye-bye. Whoa. Whoosh. Well, guys, fast forward from the boat to now my bed. I'm fresh out of energy. I can no longer do any more popping. I can no longer do any casting. I am, by definition, zooted. Sudan has gotten the best of me. Yesterday was tough. Didn't even catch a single freaking notable fish. And today was a complete flip. A complete 180. I cannot believe how many different big fish species we've caught. Throwing big poppers and stick baits is literally one of my favorite types of fishing. If you guys ever get a chance to come to Sudan, Bali, Australia, anywhere where there's like big fish that are eating big stick baits or poppers, do it. Throw big baits. It will tear apart your shoulders, but it is so worth it and it is so rewarding. But yeah, normally I'd close out the video after some action, but I just had a moment to kind of calm down, take a shower, and reminisce on all those great moments. For those of you guys who are sticking around right now, I'm trying my best to figure out different ways to make each video unique. I feel like right now, these past few days, I've kind of gotten the habit of doing the start and stop video style, where we start in the cabin and end in the cabin, which is cool. It's classic, you know, it's like the old videos. But I think over these next few days, I'm going to try to get creative, and we're going to maybe do some challenges. Lots of big opportunities. But yeah, for these first few days, I just kind of want to get acclimated, film videos straightforward, not get too crazy and creative, just kind of get immersed in it and get comfortable in the scene. Sudan's awesome. I can't wait to spend a few more days. We're here for like more than a week. Everything is going solid, catching fish, scream and drag, bending rods. Freaking love it. What are you guys watching?
Oh, just doggies eating.
Oh, the
those
doggy?
and shit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It was just barely out of focus, but I mean, it's just...
You can see the
Oh,
Sick,
dude,
bro.
dude, it's...
yeah. Oh,
Oh, that's clean.
jeez.
Sounds like we got some pretty insane footy. Anyway, I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another Sudanese episode here in Africa. I appreciate the view. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.
Yeah, perfect.
Got him. That was literally the most ridiculous thing I think I've ever done. These are the hardest fish I've ever tried to catch.
Oh, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Let's go! Woo!